Good day, and you're welcome back again today. This is the channel whereby you learn how to make that extra income. You know, we talk about creating multiple sources of income, streams of income, and it's very, very important that you do that because you know what Nigeria is saying now. So, without wasting much of the time, I have two things to let you know today to let you know that will help you increase that source of income. And please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, just try and do so. It costs you nothing, just a click. Pam, that's all. You can like, comment, and say what you want to say. You can leave a comment and a quick question. Don't worry, I will respond personally. So, what I want to tell you about today is affiliate marketing. I've been an affiliate marketer for sometimes now, and I've made my share of the money on the internet. You know, it's not easy. But with affiliate marketing, you are good to go. You can make more than 1 million in a month. I've I know people. I've seen people that I trained personally before know they made something like that. I know someone that's all he does. He's not doing any other thing. He's jobless. He will tell you that he's jobless, but he's living good. He's living in a fine house. But he's into affiliate marketing. Though he doesn't want to tell anybody. But I'm telling you now, that's it. So, as I was saying, affiliate marketing is just a way whereby you help people promote their products. In most time is a digital product. A digital product is something that is not, or it's not something that is handy. It's not something you can pick. It can be a training on how to travel abroad, can be a training on how to make hair, on how to create a YouTube channel, on how to do a lot of things. Is digital product. And when you promote this product and anybody buys from your affiliate link, there's a there's a unique link that will be generated for you and you alone. So when anybody click on that link and buy from you, then the percentage for the commission will be paid directly to your account. In fact, you will see it on the dashboard that you've made so sale. There will be an email, corresponding email to know that you've made so money. And this expatriate is the site you are going to be using for this affiliate marketing. They pay Friday, every Friday. So there's an point for you to cash out every Friday. So Espatia is a unique site. It's owned by a Nigerian, Tony Omotosho. Tony Omotosho. You can Google his name. He's a credible human being. He has been doing this thing for long now, and people are cashing out. You can join them on Twitter, Espatia on Twitter too. You do that, you hear people's testimony. That's where people come together and talk, and we interact and say, okay, is this how it is? And people, nobody's complaining. They don't delay their payment. They pay you exactly when you're supposed to be paid to your account directly. Not They are not going to give you any excuse. So Expatia is a good platform. It's just it's so good, and you can't miss with Expatia. I'm not paid to do advert for them. In fact, I'm not going to leave my own referral link so that you join through my referral link. No, I will not do that. You can just go to their site, just join anyhow. If you join with my referral link, they are going to give me a certain amount of money, but I don't need it. So that you know that as if I'm doing it so that you sign up with my own referral link. Nope, I don't do that. Just my own is just to come and give you information on how to make the money. So that is that. You can go online, even search on YouTube, Expatriate. And one thing about Expatriate, when you sign up, there is a training package that comes with it where you can learn and learn, and you need some skill sets to do Expatriate, to do affiliate marketing, like creating a sales funnel, a landing page, run an ad on social media, either Facebook, Google, Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube, as the case may be. So that is what Expatriate is all about. Now, the second one before I go, that one is very important too. Is a small site actually, Naira Worker. Naira Worker. You sign up, you can be making like 1,000, 2,000 naira per day, depending. You can check my screen. You do small tasks like they asking you to follow on Twitter, Instagram followers. They pay 15 naira. 40 naira, 10 naira, you know, 100 naira. There's 100 naira gigs too. So when you get all these things together, sometimes a day you can make 1,500, 2,000. A day is a small thing. You can do that with your phone now. You'll be doing it and be doing it and a lot of things. So these two particular things that I'm telling you today, try to do one. You can start with Naira Worker because it's free to join. Espartnia is not free to join. It's not free to join. But Naira Worker is free to join. So you can start with Naira Worker and see how it goes. And I promise you, you'll be happy you did. You'll be happy. I can assure you, you won't miss it with a Naira Worker. So that is all for today. I will be coming again next time with more and more side hustle that you should try and do comes 2022. Yes, 2022. So stay tuned. Subscribe that when I post another video, you'll be notified. On your notification bell, jingle, jingle. So happy Christmas in advance. See you next time. Bye for now. I remain yours, Kayoa. Bye bye.